All right, last type is called combined variation. So this is going to combine together both inverse and direct variation in the same problem. This one doesn't have a specific equation because depending on what the problem says, your equation could be different each time. So you really have to pay attention to like when it says varies directly, when it says varies inversely, so you know what to do with those. Joint variation is a type of combined variation, but it's a very specific type that has that same equation every time. All right, as you'll see with this problem, the equations can be different based on what they're saying. All right, so as with the other equations, we're going to have a k for a constant. We're going to have something in front of the word varies. So y varies directly as x squared and inversely as z. All right, so whatever's before the word varies is going before the equal sign. Okay, then you're going to immediately put your k there. Okay, and then remember what direct variation looked like. Y varies directly as x squared. So direct variation multiplied by k. So you want to multiply k by x squared. Okay, and then if we move over to inversely, inversely divided k by that thing. So if we're inversely as z, then we want to divide by z. So you kind of have to create your own equation based on the sentence that they give you up here. All right, so combining together a direct, which is multiplying, with an inverse, which is dividing. All right, now the rest of the process is the same as the other problems. So first job is to solve for k. They will need to tell us y, x, and z, so we can do that. So if y equals 12, x equals 2, and z equals 7. So there's all three of them, so we plug them in. 12 equals k times 2 squared over 7. So multiply by 7. That's 84 equals k times 4, and divide by 4. And so 21 equals k. All right, then rewrite your equation with the k in there. So y equals 21 x squared divided by z. Okay, now to solve our problem, we'll need to plug in the two pieces they gave us and solve for the third one. So they say x is 3 and z is 7, z is 9, find y. All right, so y equals 21 times 3 squared over 9. 3 squared is 9, so that's like 9 divided by 9, which just cancels out. So you end up with y equals 21. All right, that does it for 8-5. So hopefully you will give the assignment a try. Send in some questions if you have problems on it, and I will see you for the next one.